This is the wind advisory update from north central Oklahoma. Charles weather. Hey, hey, the clouds moving in now. They still got the wind, but the cloud, clouds moving in now. We don't have the blue skies no more. You really listen to it, you can hear the warning. You hear it? It had a whirring sound, like but you couldn't hear it, so I overlaid this on the video, but that's what I was talking about earlier. Listen. We probably have to kind of mow the yard tomorrow if it don't rain. We're currently at was at 12.5, now 9.8. Wind shifted to the southwest. It's just blowing, guys. 13.4 right now. Temperature cool down. It's 64. It's beautiful out there right now. Step out and get some, fresh air. Enjoy the cool temperatures. It's warmer in the studio than outside. Yeah, that wind's just blowing out here. You can hear the wind chimes. I'm gonna probably hook up the camper, probably do some camping this coming weekend. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click the subscribe button and click the notification bell. See you next time. This is Charles.